What's going on out there? We have a special treat for you today. Today I'm showing off a beautiful ranch home just outside of San Marcos, between Austin and San Marcos. It's sitting on 9.2 acres, $574,000 home. Estoy súper emocionado para enseñarles una casa. 9.2 acres, 574,000. Aquí estamos entre San Marcos y Austin. Ahorita les voy a enseñar algo diferente. Please follow me to see something that we've not seen before, something that we think is going to be special, and for that special client of ours. Super excited. This is the stuff that real estate is made of. Glad to have you with me. Thank you. Oh man, look at that. That is 9.2 acres. We've got a gorgeous little fountain at the entrance. I'd rather be here than sitting in a cubicle. Nothing wrong with a cubicle, but I'd rather be out and about showing Texas real estate. Wow, you guys have got to see the details on this property. Beautiful property. 2003 year built, approximately 3,700 square feet. Construida en 2003. 3,700 pies cuadrados. 5 recámaras. 3 baños. En el mercado por 574,000. On the market for 574,900. Exacto. Esto es lo que es vender real estate en Texas, Miren los pisos, qué chulos. De madera. Fíjese el cielo, Look at that. You need the fireplace. La chimenea. A true ranch style home, guys. Oh man, look at this shower. If you're gonna be paying this type of money for a house, you need a swimming pool. You need a swimming pool if you're gonna be paying this type of money. There we go. Swimming pool with a backdrop of 9.2 acres. Este tipo de dinero hay que tener la alberca, ¿no? Hermoso el patio. Ahí está el master. Siguiente el master. On the market, $574,900, $574,900,000. Ranch style home right outside of San Marcos, in between San Marcos and Austin, entre el medio de Austin y San Marcos, adjacent to the Blanco River. What more do you want, guys?